Hey guys, so it's been a while. I've been working on this little side project, which is simply a terminal user interface, which lets you type in the terminal. Lets you practice typing in the terminal. So the app is called Quick and is already available for those who want to install. We got multiple OS, so Linux, Arch Linux, by the way, Debian, and so much more. So basically, that's why I haven't been uploading these days. So it's been like 4 weeks or something like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how the apps work. The app works, and we're gonna type. We're gonna play some little 2 3 games, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, let's go. So let me switch panes. Yeah. So let me show you real quick, if you know what I'm saying. Quick. So if you launch Quick like this, you're gonna have a little terminal user interface, which is minimal, and as you can notice, we have some tips here. So you can hold Control P. You can hit Control P to show all the commands. You can Control R to go back. You can also change languages by hitting Control N. So for now, only English and French are supported. So if you want more, just tell me in the comments and I will add it. So basically, it's just that. You can hit Control E to change whether the text is thick, or you can also change the mode you want. So you can go on, first let's do 25, so something like this. And also I'm gonna show you, we're gonna play some little 2 3 games to kind of show you how it works. So let's go. So it's kind of something like that. So you also have at the end of the typing test a little chart which shows your speed evolution, your speed change over time, and also you have some statistics here so that you can see how you did. So right now I didn't do that great, not 91% accuracy, which is not. So let's do another one. So okay, so it's a little bit better. We did 106, which is not that bad, but all right. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show. That's the TUI, and also you can look at the repository. So it's quick. I'll leave the link in the description, and also if you want to contribute, it's totally open source. So as you can see, it's public. It's totally open source if you want to contribute, and yeah. You can also see here how you can use some of the flags. If you want to play with your friends online, it's also available. I've been working on that for 2 weeks. So on this specific online thing, so using TCP. So it's something like that. You can do that later. You can go through the documentation and try to learn how to use the app. So yeah, that's it. So right now we have 73 stars, which is pretty insane for me now, because it's the first time I have that many. It's the first time it's the first time I have that many stars. So if you appreciate the app, you can leave a star. That motivates me to continue maintaining the project. And yeah, thank you. So I leave all the links in the description, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Let's go.